My name is Dorian Wilger. I'm Area Sales Manager for the Okuma Europe GmbH. On the EMO, we will exhibit in hall number 14, booth D28, on 1,000 square meters, 13 different machines, different automation solutions. So we show the newest trends of milling, turning, multitasking, also steel friction welding. We have a lot of European and world premiums with us on board. So if you really want to see where the market is going, what are the new trends, what is the new possibility in the machining area, come and visit us, hall number 14, booth D28 at Okuma.
Hi, my name is Anja von Schulter. I'm marketing manager at Okuma Europe, the headquarter office from Okuma Corporation in Japan. This year we are exhibiting at EMO, of course. We exhibit 30 machines at nearly 1,000 square meters, and of course we have a lot of automation solutions on board. And in standard we have our Snake, which is a highlight for 5-axis machining, and of course we have turning, milling and multitasking machines, as well as some new trends like steel friction welding. We are happy to welcome you. See you there.